Hey everyone, in this guide, I'm going to show you how to integrate Apollo.io with HubSpot using the updated 2026 setup. So first, open your browser and go to Apollo.io. Click Login and sign into your Apollo account. After that, open a new tab, head over to HubSpot.com, click Login in, and sign into your HubSpot account. Once both dashboards are open, you're ready to connect Apollo with HubSpot for automatic data syncing. Inside Apollo, click on Settings from the left menu, then go to Integrations. This page shows all available apps you can connect with Apollo. Find HubSpot from the list and click Connect. Apollo now redirects you to HubSpot so you can authorize the connection. Choose your HubSpot account and click Connect App. This gives Apollo secure permission to sync contacts, companies, and engagement data into your CRM. Once the connection is complete, return to Apollo and open the HubSpot sync settings. Here, you can choose exactly what data you want to sync: contacts, companies, email activity, tasks, and call logs. Turn on only the options that match your workflow to keep your CRM clean and organized. Next, check the field mapping section. This is important because it ensures that names, emails, job titles, phone numbers, and company data match properly between Apollo and HubSpot. Good mapping prevents duplicate records and keeps your data consistent. Now sync a test contact from Apollo into HubSpot. Open HubSpot and confirm that the contact appears correctly with the right details. If everything looks good, your integration is working. If you want things to stay updated automatically, enable AutoSync. With this turned on, new leads and engagement activity flow between Apollo and HubSpot without manual exporting or importing. And that's it. That's how to integrate Apollo.io with HubSpot using the 2026 setup. Once connected, your prospecting and CRM workflow becomes faster, cleaner, and much more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you